Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make your Android sound like an iPhone. Here are the steps to make your Android sound like an iPhone. First, open the Google Play Store. Then search for iPhone ringtones or iOS sounds apps. Try keywords like iPhone ringtone for Android or iOS notification sounds. Select a trusted app. These are the examples like Zedge, iRingtones, iPhone ringtones for Android. So before you choose, check the app review first. So I choose the Zedge app for this. Tap install to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Open the ringtone app by tapping open. Go to ringtone section. Then use the search bar and type iPhone ringtone. Then hit the relevant results. Browse through available iPhone sounds, like iPhone ding. Select the iPhone ringtone or notification sound you like. Tap to preview the sound, then hit play. Tap download. Grant the app required permissions to change system sounds. You also have the choice to make it as your notification, ringtone, alarm sound, and contact ringtone. So I'll choose set ringtone for now, then toggle on to allow modifying system settings if prompted. Go to Android settings, sound and vibration. Manually change ringtone by going to SIM ringtone. Tap to select the iPhone sound. Choose from the available list. New iPhone sounds should appear if added correctly. Test incoming calls and notifications. Ensure your Android now plays iPhone style sounds. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.